Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to get out of a parallel parking spot. Step 1. Make sure your wheels are straight. Step 2. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 3. Slowly move forward and get as close as possible to the car in front. Step 4. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Step 5. Reverse slowly and get as close as possible to the car behind you. Step 6. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 7. Move forward slowly until the front of your car is out of the parking space. Step 8. Center your steering wheel and move out in the direction you want to drive. Please watch out for any oncoming cars as you do this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.